Ano ito? So, ito yung paakyat papunta sa kwarto namin. We're at the 3rd floor. So, ngayon, ito, 2nd floor. Kanya galing ako sa ground floor. Paakyat. So, I have to use my key card to go inside. Here. Here's my key card. Room 303. Cube, Chinatown. Okay. Yeah. So, room namin is located here. Unang-una. Kasi syempre, VIP ang sa Pilipinas. Is everybody here? Ayun.
Morning.
Good morning. Pakita natin yung kwarto natin. Kasi hindi kami nakapag-video kagabi dahil it's too dark na. So, nakikita nyo, kagulo-gulo yung mga gamit namin. This is a big improvement dun sa Cube Boutique Capsule Hotel. Kasi this is good. Good for 5 people. Family nila. The Cube Family Boutique Capsule Hotel. So, ito yung isang room. May mga, and there, you can charge there. May universal charging station. May mga towels. Dito namin nilapag yung mga gamit namin. Then, I think there's another bed here. Again, yung nakikita yung area na yon, yes, you can lower that and you can get access to the universal charging. So, yung mga dim light. Maiwan mo yung salamin mo, ha. Then, dito kami natulog kagabi. Kasi ito yung mas pinakamalaki and mas convenient na higaan. So, this is the 3rd bed. And then, may complimentary drinks and, of course, snacks, coffee, and then water. Di alam mo yung water? Hindi. Dali mo yung walang laman. So, may phone dito, may hair dryer, may mga cups, meron yung water heater, and then may mga hangers. Ito yung bed namin, kagulo kayo. Along with the bag na dadalhin ni Wilma. Di ba mabigat yung dala mo? Parang ang daming laman. Nakita niyo yung cat design, di ba? Ako, iwanan ko yung backpack ko kasi marami naman yun. I'm going to use my smaller bag ng bigay ng Department of Tourism when we visited Oriental Mindoro. So, ito yung view namin sa labas. So, parang renovated na area or building. Hindi ko makita masyado yung nasa labas. Hindi nyo makita yung design na yun. So, you can open this, kaya lang, pwede naman buksan. Kaya lang, ang worried ako baka masira na yung pinaka-window sa labas eh. Ay, hindi naman. Okay naman, pwede naman pala. Ayan. Yung meron there. Ito yung view namin from our window. If we open it. Sa baba, sa libong. Sansya na guys, hindi ako masyado magaling sa kukwento. Ayan. So basically, this is the Cube Family Boutique Capsule Hotel, which is definitely a lot bigger than their capsule hotels na malaki rin pero marami kang shared companions sa kwarto. Dito, this was designed for a family. So in this case, good for 5 kasi for this one bed, family size, and another bed, family size, is good for 4 persons na. Kasi tig-dalawa bawat bed. And then sa dulo, there's another bed na good for 1. Although, pwede rin naman dalawa rito. Kasi rin naman. Pero good for 1. So, that's a total of 5. Halika na. Alas na tayo. Baka may nakalimutan ka. Salamin, keycard, yung MRT card natin. Mas,
Patay muna natin yung iPhone.